My 8500 series American Craftsman bottom window sash has 2 broken coil balances. There are no cutouts in the window's tracks to allow you to remove the old balances. I'll show how to cut the tracks so the old balances can be removed and the new ones can be installed. At these locations, I found labels that contained a warranty number. I got 2 6-pound coil balances from the Windows manufacturer at no charge. If you can't get parts from the Windows manufacturer, you'll need to weigh the sash and try to get aftermarket parts. Heavy sashes will have multiple balance coil springs. To remove the bottom sash, lift it until it clears the bottom of the window frame. My sash wouldn't stay open, so I slipped a block of wood under it. Push and hold both spring-loaded tilt latches located at the top of the sash. Then pull the sash inwards. Grasp the sides of the sash and twist to remove. Remove the screw for the plate that holds the top of the coil balance spring. Mark the bottom of the sash stop. Mark the length of the plastic part of the coil balance so that the sash stop will hide the cutout. I think the safest, easiest way to cut the track is with a Dremel tool and a cutting wheel. A utility knife or aviation shears are an alternative, though there is a risk of breaking brittle plastic or cutting yourself with a utility knife. I know it seems expensive to buy a Dremel tool, but it makes fast and easy work of cutting away the track. Best practice is to replace both balances to ensure even tension on both sides of the sash. After cutting away both sides of the track, clean up the edges with a sharp utility knife. The cutout should look like this. If you need to cut the track in a place not shown in this video, be aware that the tilt latches at the top of the sashes slide along the front of the track. Don't cut an opening in the sash's range of travel. Unlock the pivot shoe brake by using a large screwdriver to turn the cam 1/4 turn, then slide it and remove it from the track opening. Feed the coil balance and the plate into the track opening. The spring side of the coil balance should face inwards. After the coil balance plate is fastened to the frame, insert the screwdriver into the pivot shoe cam and slide it until it's about 3 inches from the bottom of the frame. Then turn the cam 1/4 turn to lock the brake. Use the same method to position the other coil balance a few inches higher, then reinstall the sash. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos. And thanks for watching.